Hello friends, welcome back to Movies and Melodies. I cannot believe it, Dasara is upon us, Deepavali will be here soon, this year is speeding past us. Today, I'm going to talk about Qawwalis. Call means the utterance of the Prophet, one who says the call or calls out the call is a Qawwal, and the composition is a Qawwali. It's a form of Sufi devotional singing. Bollywood, of course, has decided it's a good enough form for them as well, only they have used it in a more romantic setting. Though there are some extremely philosophical and devotional Qawwalis in Hindi movies, for the most part they've been kind of a romantic, almost like a Sawal Jawab kind of a situation in most Bollywood movies. The first one that I'd like to share with you is from K. Asif's magnum opus, Mughal-e-Azam, released in 1960, starring Madhubala, Dilip Kumar in the lead roles. It was a fantastically made film. I mean, visually a spectacle, the direction, the acting, the music, all of it was fabulous. And this movie, because it's sort of overdone in every which way, has more than one Qawwali in it as well. The one I want to share with you is picturized on Madhubala, who plays Anarkali, and her rival, if you will, Bahar, who's played by Nigar Sultana, and they are in this kind of a competitive situation, and the prince, Salim, played by Dilip Kumar, is judging this competition. Very beautifully sung by Lata ji for Madhubala and Shamshad Begum for Nigar Sultana. The music, Naushad Saab, with lyrics by Shakil Badayuni. Teri महफिल में किस्मत आज़मा कर हम भी देखेंगे. In 1964 saw the release of Chaudhary Ka Chand. This had Gurudutt, Wahida Rahman in the leads, and Rahman, he had a very, very significant role. The story is essentially about how deep a friendship can go, and sadly it ends in tragedy for one of the friends. Johnny Walker provides the comic relief as always. It was a tearjerker, but a really well-made film. Everybody concerned acted very well, the supporting cast, all of that. This Qawwali that I want to share with you it appears right at the very beginning of the movie. It's in an exclusively female setting. The women have gathered together for some kind of a celebration, and they are divided into two groups. One group singing, taking the part of the male, and the other taking the part of the female, so to speak, points of view here. It's basically talking about the dangers of falling in love, and the male point of view is, I don't know why these women are so filled with their own nakhras, and if we people weren't there to admire them, where would they be, kind of a thing. The music for this song and this movie actually was by Ravi Saab, and the lyrics by Shakil Badayuni. The song has been sung by Asha ji and Shamshad Begum. शर्मा के ये क्यों सब पर्दा नशी आंचल को सवारा करते हैं.
शर्मा के ये क्यों सब पर्दा नशी, शर्मा के ये क्यों सब पर्दा नशी आंचल को संवारा करते हैं. शर्मा के ये क्यों सब पर्दा नशी आंचल को संवारा करते हैं. शर्मा के ये क्यों सब पर्दा नशी आंचल को संवारा करते हैं. शर्मा के ये क्यों सब पर्दा नशी आंचल को संवारा करते हैं. आंचल को संवारा करते हैं. आंचल को संवारा करते हैं. कुछ ऐसे नजर वाले भी है जो छुप छुप के नजारा करते हैं. कुछ ऐसे नजर वाले भी हैं जो छुप छुप के नजारा करते हैं. शर्मा के ये क्यों सब पर्दा नशी आंचल को संवारा करते हैं. बेताब निगाहों से कह दो जलवों से उलझना ठीक नहीं. जलवों से उलझना ठीक नहीं. जलवों से उलझना ठीक नहीं. बेताब निगाहों से कह दो जलवों से उलझना ठीक नहीं. जलवों से उलझना ठीक नहीं. आना संभल के पर्दा नशीनों के सामने झुकती है जिंदगी भी हसीनों के सामने. महफिल में हुस्न की जो गया शान से गया. जिसने नजर मिलाई वही जान से गया. बेताब निगाहों से कह दो जलवों से उलझना ठीक नहीं. जलवों से उलझना ठीक नहीं. जलवों से उलझना ठीक नहीं.
Taj Mahal. This was the story of Shah Jahan and Arjumand Banu, who became Mumtaz Mahal later in life. The story, has its twists and turns, lot of court machinations and many little subplots, one of which involves another of Jahangir's sons, Shahryar. This particular qawwali is set in Shahryar's palace. It's a competition between men and women. It's very pretty. The words are very beautiful. You should listen to the lyrics. Music is by Roshan Saab. It's been sung by Manada, Rafi Saab, and Asha Bhonsle and Meena Kapoor. Chandi ka badan, sone ki nazar.
चांदी का बदन सोने की नजर उस पर ये नजाकत क्या कहिए जी क्या कहिए. चांदी का बदन सोने की नजर. चांदी का बदन सोने की नजर उस पर ये नजाकत है. नजाकत क्या कहिए. किस किस पे तुम्हारे जलवों ने तोड़ी है कयामत क्या कहिए जी क्या कहिए. चांदी का बदन सोने की नजर.
गुस्ताख जुबां गुस्ताख नजर ये रंगे तबीयत क्या कहिए जी क्या कहिए. गुस्ताख जुबां गुस्ताख नजर. गुस्ताख जुबां गुस्ताख नजर ये रंगे तबीयत हाय तबीयत क्या कहिए. ऐसे भी
कनक के साए में ये फूल गुलाबी चेहरों चेहरों के ये फूल गुलाबी हाँ ये फूल गुलाबी चेहरों के गुल भी है गुलशन भी है और तारों का जुर्मट भी ये फूल गुलाबी चेहरों के ये फूल गुलाबी है गुलाबी चेहरों के इस वक्त हमारी नजरों में इस वक्त हमारी नजरों में क्या चीज है जन्नत क्या कहिए ये जी क्या कहिए इस वक्त हमारी नजरों में इस वक्त हमारी नजरों में तुमसे नजरें जो मिली तीनों दुनिया से गए एक तमन्ना के सिवा हर तमन्ना से गए मस्त आंखों से जो भी जाम मीना से गए जुल्फ लहराई जहां हम भी लहरा से गए पूरे मिलती है किसे इसकी परवाह से गए इसकी परवाह से गए इस वक्त हमारी नजरों में.
This final song, mother of all qawwalis, of all filmy qawwalis, I should say. Barsat Ki Raat, released in 1960, starring Bharat Bhushan and Madhubala. The music was the same duo, Roshan and Sahir Ludhianvi, as the previous movie, Taj Mahal. The movie is about a poet, Bharat Bhushan, who falls in love with a very beautiful girl, Madhubala. Parental opposition because he's a poor poet. He goes off, makes his fortune by becoming a singer, and his poetry, of course, becomes very famous. He is assisted in this quest by a friend of his who is a poet, a lady. She's a poet, and she's also secretly in love with him. And this role is essayed by Shyama. She helps him become famous, and he too helps her hone her poetical skills, and the two of them become very, very famous. This qawwali that I'm going to share with you now is played as the finale of the movie as well. It's a competition between the lady poet and another very famous qawwal. She is ill, and yet she cannot reject this challenge, so she is there trying to sing, and the hero steps in and saves the day, so to speak, and wins the competition for her. The whole qawwali, it's 12 minutes long, maybe a smidge over 12 minutes. Most people, especially when it's played on the radio, they cut it up. They cut it up into two parts. Na to karwan ki talash hai, which is how it begins, and the second part, which is Ye ishq ishq hai. The whole song is, of course, extolling the virtues of love and what love can mean and can actually, how love can transform someone. The last lines, खाक से बुत और बुत को देवता बनाता है इश्क, इम्तिहा ये है कि बंदे को खुदा करता है इश्क, which means love can create a statue out of dirt, out of mud, basically out of nothingness, and then can make a god of that statue. The final test is that love can transform a man into divinity, into becoming divine. Says it all, no? Ye ishq ishq hai.
ना तो कारवां की तलाश है, ना तो कारवां की तलाश है, ना तो हम सफर की तलाश है, ना तो कारवां की तलाश है, ना तो कारवां की, ना तो कारवां की, ना तो कारवां, न तो कारवां की तलाश है, न तो हम सफर की तलाश है, अब न तो हम सफर की तलाश है, अब न हम सफर तलाश है मेरे शौक खाना खराब को तेरी रह गुजर की तलाश है मेरे शौक खाना खराब
That's it for Qawwalis, folks. I mean, for today. There are some fantastic Qawwalis, even in the newer movies. It's not the purvey of only the old movies. I will play some more in the future. I would highly recommend that you guys write in and let me know your choices for a good Qawwali. I'll be back in 2 weeks. Until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.